Hello guys, this is one more video from GATE 2020 and it is question number 45 and the question goes this way. Two plates of composition, iron 10% nickel and iron 20% chromium and 5% nickel are fusion welded using a filler rod of composition 20% nickel and 80% chromium. The contribution to dilution of the weld pool is 20% from each plate. The nickel content in the weld pool is how much? So basically everything is in terms of weight percentages. So before that, let us try to understand what is this dilution and how we can calculate the composition of a weld pool. So what happens in welding? So typically when you are welding, so something like this will be there, right? So let's say let's say this is my weld pool. This is metal A and this is metal B. And if you are using some filler material, then you have some part of your base metals which are melting down and along with the filler. Let A, B be the base plates and F be the filler rods. So what actually happens is, many people think that the filler rod is the only liquid, that means the fusion zone or the liquid zone contains only the filler rod, which is wrong. If that is the case, these two plates will not be bonded properly. Okay, so that's where the phenomena of dilution comes in, where for the existing solid, the existing base plates will remelt again. That means they melt in order to form a proper fusion zone between these two plates. Okay, so the fusion zone, this is the fusion zone that I have, which is basically called as weld pool also. Okay, so it consists of the filler metal and the base plates. So here what it is telling is the contribution to dilution of the weld pool is 20% from each plate. Okay, so that means dilution from or dilution of each plate is 20%. Okay, so here also we have two plates, right? So this is one composition and this is the other composition, and from each of these plates 20% is coming in. So 20% is A and 20% is B, and what is the remaining? 20 plus 20 is 40. So total, if it is 100, then 60% of the liquid comes from the filler. Okay, so this is nothing but the overall composition of the fusion zone. You can take any element now and use this particular equation and you can get it. So it can also be called as a weld pool. Okay, so this can be used to calculate the composition. So here what they are asking the nickel content. Okay, that means the overall percentage nickel in the weld pool will be equal to how much? This will be equal to 20% of nickel present in A plus 20% of nickel that is present in B and 60% of nickel that is present in the filler. Okay, 60% off, right? So this is nothing but the way to go ahead. So this will be what? 20% is 0.2 times the weight percentage is 10 here, plus again 20% into the weight percentage of nickel is 5 here, plus 60% which is 0.6 into we have 20% nickel. So this is 20. So this comes out to be how much? So this is 2 plus 1, 3 plus 12. So this is equal to 15%. Okay, so the overall composition of weld pool can be calculated by this way, and here we got 15% as the weight percentage of nickel that is present in your weld pool. Okay, this is the concept of dilution. I hope it is clear to everybody. Thank you for watching.